Alrighty, Bean Beauties. I have today some Amazon accessories that I wanted to show y'all. Just a quick little video to show y'all and a comparison of some Amazon accessories that I purchased that are inspired pieces, I guess. You know, they're Amazon pieces. All right, come on back. So I am going to blame a few people on these pieces. This right here is the Vivian ish. As soon as I saw Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture post this, that she had it on Amazon, I went over and I purchased it.
Here's the charm. What does this look just like, guys? There are no labels anywhere. I know some people get offended even if it doesn't have any markings, but this is just adorable. And it's about 800 times less, or even less than that, than something that it looks like.
It took quite a bit of time to come in. So if you're considering purchasing this, then I would say get it sooner than later, because it took a good like 2 weeks at least for it to come in. But she's so cute and she's so fluffy. She's just a little doll. But I guess she's supposed to resemble Vivian-ish. I got this charm. It's the cherry charm. Amazon has them now with faces. Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? I wanted to let y'all know that on this particular charm, I am blaming two content creators. I'm blaming Lori from Smiling Cat Couture, and I'm blaming Kim from Chicana Bling. On Lori's channel, she did a short sharing these cherries charms, and Kim from Chicana Bling actually blinged them out. So y'all can head over to their channels and kind of see them in full. I want to give y'all a little bit of a clip here. Now, the charm that I actually bought and that you're seeing in this video, I purchased from one of my resellers, and she got them from somebody else. So if you notice, the stems are slightly different than the ones you buy on Amazon, but both of them are still cute. And I actually did buy a charm from Amazon. I think I gifted it to someone. So I purchased them too, and they're adorable. I probably will purchase a couple more, but I just want to give proper blame or credit. No, not blame, credit to content creators for the cherry bag charms. Thank you.
Hello, all you lovely luxury lovers. Welcome to Smiling Cats Couture. I was browsing on Amazon one day, and look what I found. These little cherry charm that looks like if Coach and Takashi Murakami did a collab, this is what it would be like. Isn't that hilarious? I normally don't buy things like that, but it is just too cute. What do you think, guys?
Okay, so you guys are seeing how it's coming together. Working here is a bit hard because they are very close together, but I'm just going to continue doing the same thing, applying my glue row by row and then continuing filling it in. You guys can see how it looks. Super cute. Okay, so I went around quite a bit already. I did this middle area.
I wanted to do a comparison because in another video you were see the LV items, my authentic genuine LV items. I got this from Candy Sweet Love for LV. It's got the little monogram on the back. So I just wanted to do a little comparison for y'all, as here are the original and here are the Amazon. So it's really cute. The size difference, of course, is noticeable. The color difference, this is more of a metallic stem. This is a more of a cloth cording, like the material that they use for their bracelets. And the faces, here is the Murakami faces. And then here are, now those are pretty close as far as the expressions are concerned. Here the coloring is different there, and this has more of a lighter color. But these are super cute. I actually put these on my Coach bum bag that I brought with me on the cruise. So that was very cute, and I got a lot of compliments on them. And these never saw the light of day here on cruise. These are just for me. I put them on my Rowan and wore them on my Rowan, and then they stayed hidden away. Not for any particular reasons, it's just it's too big. It's too big to be carrying. So these are my 2 Amazon pieces. I will try and link those in the comment box or pin them or whatever in case you want them. But you know, they're nice, fun charms. You know, you don't always have to have the real things. These are super cute, and Amazon has them. I think they were $12.99. Not sure. All right, let's wrap up. Hold on a second. So yeah, Bean Beauties, that's just a quick little video to show you what I got on Amazon, and the accessories, charms, and things like that. I don't mind when those are inspired charms. You know, they are not sold as authentic, they're not sold as genuine or anything like that. They're just fun little pieces. So I hope that you enjoyed them. Peek! If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and help me get to 2K. I greatly appreciate it. Love y'all. Oops. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all the things.